Hi friends, my name is Anvesha Anandita. I am a proud student of Sanam Tutor and today I am here to share something very important for all class 6 students of St. Joseph's Girls High School, Cuttack. This video is all about a question bank that includes 10 worksheets for our annual exam 2025 in mathematics. These worksheets are packed with the most important questions to help you prepare and score good marks. If you want to step-by-step solution to all these questions, don't forget to subscribe to Sanam Tutor on YouTube. My teacher Manas sir explains everything in very simple way. These classes are the best for understanding all topics easily. Also join our WhatsApp or Telegram groups to get the PDF of this questions bank and more study materials. All the best and thank you.